If you're seeing a Facebook error message when trying to log in, don't worry, because in this video, I'll walk you through a few quick fixes that can solve the problem fast. Whether Facebook is refusing to load, showing a login error, or just not letting you get into your account, these steps are simple, safe, and easy to try. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials. First, start with the easiest fix. Refresh the page. On your keyboard, press F5, or use the refresh button in your browser. Sometimes a Facebook login error is just a temporary glitch, and reloading the page can clear it right away. If the error still appears, the next thing to check is your login details. Make sure your email address, phone number, and password are typed in correctly. Even a small typo can stop Facebook from signing you in. If your login details are correct, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause Facebook login errors, especially if the page is timing out or not loading properly. Try opening another website to see if your connection is working. If other sites are slow too, restart your Wi-Fi or switch to a different network and then try logging in again. Another very effective fix is to clear your browser cache. Over time, your browser stores old files that can interfere with websites like Facebook. Clearing the cache can remove broken data and help the login page load properly again. After clearing the cache, close your browser completely, reopen it, and try logging in once more. If the error still is not fixed, try using incognito mode. Open a private or incognito window and go to Facebook from there. This is useful because incognito mode disables many stored cookies and extensions that may be causing the login problem. If Facebook works in incognito mode, then the issue is likely coming from your browser data or an extension rather than Facebook itself. At this point, if none of those methods work, you can also try restarting your browser or even restarting your device. That can help remove temporary glitches and reset anything that is causing the login screen to fail. You may also want to update your browser if it is outdated, since older browser versions can sometimes trigger login errors on modern websites. So to quickly recap, if you get a Facebook error message during login, first refresh the page, then check your login details, verify your internet connection, clear your browser cache, and finally try incognito mode. In many cases, one of these steps will solve the issue in just a minute or two. If this tutorial helped you fix your Facebook login problem, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.